Fuck me. God damn it. This is not good for my bad back. Mate, I don't know how. I ended up going the wrong way.
Yeah, I know. I stopped and I was creeping.
How? How did I do that?
What's up?
Oh, right. We are here at Enduro World. It's miserable and wet. Lance has already flipped his bike. I've already got arm pump. It's been a long winter of not really riding much. See what this place has to offer. Been around a couple of times. Caught my boot on that tyre then. Pay a bit more attention, I think. I've actually got the beta in rain mode today, just to try and give my arms a bit of a break. Oh, I don't know where he's going. Just barely made it up that hill there. I'm not used to this rain mode. It's a bit more tame. Doesn't tend to hit the power band as easy. But when you want it, you have to really give it some. Oh, that's a big puddle. Ah. I don't know where this is going. Where's Lance gone? I think he must have gone a different way. Whoa! Never mind. What the fuck? How the fuck did that happen? I was a bit worried that I'd gone the wrong way there, considering I hadn't seen anybody in so long and Lance fucked off. Don't know where I went. Oh, it's terrible. Where did I go wrong there? Hi! Mate, I don't know how. I ended up going the wrong way.
Yeah, I know. I stopped and I was creeping.
How? How did I do that?
What's up?
Ah, fuck. Ah. Bumped around a little bit there. Fucking hell. Oh. Piss. Come on. No. Front end, don't go down there. Don't go down there. Nope. Nope. Roots. This is not good for my bad back. Oh shit. Shit, don't go down there. Shit. Oh, I just sunk. Oops. Don't you dare fall down there. Fuck. I'm in a predicament. I've got nothing to stand on that's grippy of any sort here. I'm just balancing on a slippy log. This ain't good. If I can get on it, that'd be nice. Give it some grip. Fuck me. That'll do. It's out. Fuck me. God damn it. God fucking damn it. Ah. Upside down in the fucking thorns now. Ah, piss. Fucking hell. Fuck. Ow. Thorn. Oh, for fuck's sake. Oh, shit. Why the fuck did I try this way on my own? Fucking piss. Fuck off. Fuck off. Get off of that. Making it much harder. Those fucking thorns. Fuck off. Just don't want to ride out of here because of these fucking bastards. You twat. God, I hate thistles. Thistles, brambles. Fucking cunts. A lot of them. Shit. Yeah, I think I'm going to need some fucking help here. I'm in a bloody hole and there is no way out but up there. Fuck my life. Go on. Yo! Little help! Fuck. Oh, a gear would help. Good start. Whoa! Whoa! Oh. There we go. Man, easy. Yeah, so close. Are you going back?
That could be arsed.
Go on, meters round then. Oh, foot stuck. Oh my god. This is sketchy. Sketchy, sketchy, sketchy. Oh. Oh. Oh, it's a bog. Yeah. Slow and steady. Oh, you bastard. There he went. Oh no. Is there a step? Oh, I don't look great. What are we doing? Well, we're here now.
Yeah. Bit of momentum.
Yeah?
Should be alright.
Is there enough room to clear?
Now let me move forward.
Okay. What are you on about? I can see where your wheel was stuck in. Took a little rut. Oh! Where the fuck does this go? Ah, bugger. Nearly. I only dare put it in neutral tree. What did we get ourselves into? He sounds stuck. Ah, lovely view. Oh, that route's disgusting. Oops, kind of facing the wrong way. Kind of the wrong way now.
Are you pointing downhill?
Might need a hand lifting that up. Don't know what I'm attempting here. Got a back wheel over there a bit. There we go. That's what I wanted. Fuck my life. There we go. Woo! Shit. This is where it comes down just to the bottom of that front hill, the first hill. Bloody hell.
Quite high up right now.
Yeah. We're at the top of the fucking site. Oh. Christ. Fan's on. Don't blame me, fan. Just don't look right. Oh, you bugger. Shit. Fuck. Slow and steady. Slow and steady. Don't drag the back brake too much. There we go. Is that it?
Well, if you go that way, there's that, but can't tell where that goes. It goes higher.
That looks disgusting to get down.
Yeah. And there's this.
How's that look? Looks better from here.
This bit looks alright, but I don't know where it goes after that.
Let's try it. Take a slightly lower line there because it looks a bit flatter. There we go. Ooh. Whoa, Nelly. Just crabbing down this hill. Oh, bugger. Oh, this is steep. Oh, that looks like a drop. Hey?
Doesn't look that bad, but there's logs at the bottom.
Lovely. Whew, you're right. Oh Christ. I think I need a cool down lap after this. Oh my God.
Easy.
Easy. Easy route. Let's take the others down it in a minute. Oh. Whew. Oh my God. Wow. My hands are covered in mud. Super slippery right now. Oh, shit. Fucking hell.